Victory Plus app, live sports, and more. So here you have it. These days in #1 in charts in sports category. So pretty cool. Your home for live sports on demand extreme adventure with Red Bull. Live on demand sports, stream live games, listen live with the ticket, quick and easy setup, download now. Get ready for Victory Plus, the ultimate free streaming service made by fans for fans. Dive into all your favorite regional home and away professional sports games plus exclusive on demand and shoulder content. Ad supported experience. So that's kind of the idea. You can just install it. So I think this is mostly about like regional games which you can watch kind of for free but with ads, and then you can just open it up. Your favorite teams live on demand, and then you can just sign up. That's kind of the idea how you get started with the app, or otherwise you just need to sign in here. So that's the idea.